Hello everyone. In this session, let us see how to use some text boxes and insert pictures in our slides. So to do that, go to the Insert tab in our toolbar, click on the Insert tab, and can you see the text box here? When you click on the text box, it will help you to draw a text box here to include the text on your slides. Say for example, some slides they already have text in it and you want to include some text just beside the text box. So if you want to include it with the same font and just beside that, you can just include it right beside it. But in some places where you don't have a text box and you want to include some text, say I want to include some text in the bottom left corner. So how do I do that? I don't have a text box here. So to do that, I click on the text box option here on my toolbar. I come here and then I click on it. So now I have got a text box. So pull it up to the size that you need and then you can write the contents that you want to display here by XYZ. So here I have the text content. So when I go to my next slide, so this is a slide, this is a presentation about shapes and colors, and my next slide has the shape in it. I want to include the color name in it. How do I do that? I can click on the Insert tab, select the text box option here. I can draw a text box here. Move it to the place where you want to have it. And then write the content that you want to display on the text box. So here I have my content. So you can also select the color of the content or whatever you want to do. So here it is. So this is how you can include your text by using the text box. Select the text box, go to the place where you want to include the text box, click and drag to increase the size of the text box, click on the text box and you can write the contents inside it. And once you are done with the contents, you can also increase the font size and you can also give some colors for your text by selecting the font size and the colors from the font section in your home tab. So this will help you to give the color and the font size and the style that you want to give to your text. So this is how you can use your text box option. And the next that we have is the picture section. How can we insert pictures in our slide? Say I want to include a thank you slide at the last. So what I can do is I include a content here saying thank you, and I want to put a small flower picture in the corner. How can I do that? So to insert a picture in it, click on the Insert tab in the toolbar, go to the picture section. Can you see the picture here? Click on the picture image and here it goes inside the My Pictures and you have the common pictures, or you can also insert the picture that you have to include on your slide. You can go to the location where you have the picture and select the picture from that location. So here it goes inside my Pictures and I want to select the flower picture here and once I click on the flower picture, the name gets appear, the file name gets appeared on the text box, and now you can click on the insert. So this picture will get applied to the entire slide. So you can resize your image by clicking on the corners and pulling it to the size that you need. You can also move the picture to the place wherever you want by using your mouse. Go inside and you will get a four-sided arrow. Click and drag to the place you want. So here I've inserted a picture. On my slide. So now you know how to insert a picture and also to include a text box in your slide. So let us see the rest in the next session.